Hello guys, so today guys again we have another vlog, and today's vlog guys we have the DJI RSC2. So actually guys we did a vlog already for DJI RSC2, but on today's vlog guys, if you have the DJI RSC2 and if you are looking for a bag, especially for the non-combo guys, because if the non-combo there's no include the bag, instead they have this foam. Yeah. So guys, the RSC2 with the foam. So instead, you have already the styrofoam. If you have the DJI RSC2 and if you are looking or searching for a bag for this RSC2, then this vlog is for you guys. Again, yeah. So before we will start now guys, again, the bag that we have is the, and again guys, sorry, before we start the vlog, just want to shout out or flex, if you want to check the DJI product at DJI products from stabilizer, we have DJI RSC2 and we have DJI Ronin and even the Ronin 2. You can visit us or check to our website www.aabworld.com guys. So all that stabilizer here you can check, and even we have the demo unit guys. So from DJI to Zion crane and yeah, from mobile or any stabilizer. So again guys, let's start now guys. The bag that good on this DJI RSC2 that I have now is the, yeah guys, the Peak Design. So this is the Peak Design packing cube, medium size, and I have the charcoal. So I got this guys for 14,950 quality dinar. So yeah guys, it's a very nice guy. I'm gonna show you how to fit this bag on this DJI RSC2 with the styrofoam itself. So we're gonna use this styrofoam guys. Yeah, that the original styrofoam, it comes with the box of the RSC2. So let's start now guys and open this packing cube. Yan, packing cube designed in San Francisco, Vietnam. Ayan, so let's check the material also guys of this product. Ayan, open now guys, and yan, eto siya guys. Yeah, so that's it. This is the, yan, packing cube compressible packing organizer. So buwan naman. It's organizer. It's a medium size guys, perfect size for this. Yan. Made in Vietnam, blah blah blah. So ayan, the quality guys of the material of this bag, it's very nice guys, and yan, very soft. So ayan, check na natin guys. Tanggalin ko na rin to. Gonna remove this. Yeah. So first, and set aside. Open this area guys. Sorry, this area. This is the front. Then need to open. And done. So actually guys, this is the extendable guys. So if you want to extend, and if you have more deeper type of styro, so you can fit. But we'll try not to extend, or extend na lang natin guys, to make it sure. Yan, this is the extend zipper. Yan, so yan guys, so extend the zipper. Yan, ganda ng ano niya, ng material. So you can put direct ayan. So yan siya guys. Okay, then ayan, you have your perfect bag for your, without removing in the styrofoam guys. So ayan siya. Then again, you can close again this extended if you think that you don't need to extend, and the dip is perfect. So ayan guys, for me it's a perfect bag. Yeah, perfect solution bag for your DJI RSC2 that without the bag, only the styro. So but if you purchase the combo, I believe this already with the bag. But the non-combo, yeah, styrofoam. So this is the perfect bag for this non-combo. So again guys, this is our product for today. The Peak Design packing cube with a medium size. Ayan guys, so I think that's for today. I hope it helped for you to searching for the best bag on your DJI RSC2. So again, flex time. First, I want to flex my team, which is Team Positive Vlog. Shout out to all the admin and members ng Team Positive. At syempre, ang PBK 2.0. Shout out kay Robert kay Palaboy FW at kay Brian Puntanar. At syempre, yun, sa lahat ng mga subscriber natin, maraming salamat. Again, if you want to check the product, you can visit us here in www.aabworld.com, guys, or the Peak Design. If you want to check the Peak Design product, again, please visit us here in Symphony Showroom, or just check our website, www.aabworld.com. So, hanggang dito lang, guys. Thank you, and again, check the bag. The Peak Design, we have all the bags from Peak Design, guys. If you want to check the bag, you can visit in our website and in category under the bag. So all the Peak Design bag is there, guys. The price and the model. Then, guys, thank you and mabuhay.